Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Bobby Hemphill, and I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on my lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our Sparks certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, and also 2 years or 30,000 miles complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have the 2015 Toyota Camry XSE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner, and it comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, chrome window trim, and lightly tinted glass. The 2015 Toyota Camry is a compelling and competitive mid-size sedan that boasts generous interior space and a solid reputation for reliability. This Camry has 18-inch machine face alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire-specific lower tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Camry is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights and a really nice grille with a chrome bar and the iconic Toyota symbol to tie them all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Camry has front-wheel drive, and it is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 28 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that the Camry has only 35,000 miles on it. At the back of the Camry, you can see the antenna and the lip spoiler, along with the large brake lights and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area, you see that it is very spacious and back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features concealed storage and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Camry has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold down armrest with cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also children's safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the power adjustable, heated and leather trimmed ultra suede seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders and a power outlet. This Camry is also equipped with door bins, a locking glove box, and fade to off interior lighting. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock and power up windows with front row one touch up and down. This Camry has a very comfortable tilting telescopic and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home to the Intune multimedia features, and it is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible. You can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. Also, 2 years or 30,000 miles complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.